Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add a thumbnail to YouTube video. So let's get into it. First of all, log into YouTube. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. Click on the Content tab on the left side of the page. Click the video you'd like to edit. Select an auto-generated thumbnail or click Upload Thumbnail to create a custom video thumbnail from an image on your device. Finally, click on Save button in the top right corner of the page. This will save the changes and apply the thumbnail to your video. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.